Hazrat Masruq states that Hazrat Aisha, the believer's mother, has said, "We, the Prophet's wives, were all in his company, and none of us was absent." Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu anha meanwhile came by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Her gait closely resembled that of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw her, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam welcomed her, saying, "Welcome, my daughter." Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam set her on his right or left side. Thereafter, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said something privately to her. She whereupon burst into tears. Finding her extremely shocked, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam again quietly said something to her. She thereupon began to laugh. Out of Prophet's wives, I said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, choose you amongst us for a secret. Despite it, you weep. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam went away, I asked, what did he sallallahu alaihi wasallam whisper to you? Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6285.